friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devika Bapat, your host for the next 5 to 10 minutes, in which I'm going to share with you this amazingly sweet kind of cocktail which I made about a month back. So, actually, what happened was that some guests were going to come over to my place for dinner and drinks, and I wanted to make something special for them. And I had some sweet limes at home, like Mosambi. Those are my favorite fruits. So I wanted to use them, and I wanted to make this a very transparent kind of cocktail because lately I have made so many colorful drinks. I was quite bored of that. So I wanted to make it simply transparent. So I thought let's experiment a bit. So I just added whatever transparent spirits I got and just left it inside the fridge for some time. You know, the sangria kind of way, little bit like that. And there it was amazing. So let me share that with you. So we are going to make some of it in a pitcher kind of thing, this jug jar kind of glass, because I'll be making the concentrate version of that. And what I did was just made it in a bulk quantity and poured about 30 ml in each glass and topped it up with soda or Sprite, depending on what the guest wants, because some prefer it sweet, some prefer it not so sweet. So that is how we are going to make it. I'm not going to use ice in this because we are going to use chilled Sprite or soda to top it up with later. So let's get started. So this thing is pretty easy. We are going to make it in this jar glass, as I said before, and I'm going to just add these things in equal proportions. Now this is my rum. I will add 30 ml of it, an ounce of our regular white rum. Then I will add triple sec. Triple sec we will be adding, okay, it's tight. Triple sec again we'll be adding about 30 ml. Then we'll add some coconut rum just for the taste. This we are going to add double the quantity of all our other spirits. Like if we are adding an ounce of each spirit, we are going to add 2 ounces of coconut rum, that is 60 ml. Like 30 ml of all other spirits and 60 ml of our coconut rum. The Sprite fell. Okay, pardon me. Then I have some lemon juice. So let's see how much it is. Yeah, about an ounce of lemon juice. And just for the taste of the sweet lime, because what I did when I made it that day was that I made this thing and I put some slices of sweet lime inside it and I refrigerated it for about an hour before they came. But today I just want to make it as if we are going to have it just like right away. So this is some 15 ml of fresh sweet lime juice which I'm going to add, and then we are simply going to stir it. Stir it well, and then take your glass and add about 30 ml of this concentrated mixture. Add a slice of sweet lime, and we are going to top it up with some soda and some Sprite. Like I'm going to add both of them together so that it doesn't become too sweet also. So let's add some soda and then let's add some Sprite, because as you all know I don't like sweet drinks. So just a little bit of Sprite, because that is sweetened drink. Just give it a final stir when you pour the soda inside the glass and then serve it. So I'll tell you how it tastes once again. Like, I already know this tastes amazing because if you leave the sweet lime slice for some more time, like we already added sweet lime juice, so that's not really needed. But if you just keep it for some more time, it will just enrich the taste more. So let's sip and tell. Perfectly made like the last time. So it looks very sweet and simple and classy, perfect for a party, for a house party. Because what happened, like, I have really kept this playlist as be an exceptionally great host or something for your house parties. And funnily, I hadn't made any cocktail pictures for this. So like, this is almost 90 ml or something. So you can make 4 glasses of this, 4 or 5 glasses even from this. And you can just, with the same ratio, you can make more of it. So make this, serve it to your guests. Meanwhile, ask your guests to share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching all my other upcoming videos. See ya.